Hello, I'm Carrie from Jack Marketing Department.
Hello everyone, I'm Carol, responsible for Jack sales in European markets.
Today we will lead you to see a Jack sample factory Loto through this video show. And as we know, today we are going to show you how the Chinese intelligent garments factory situation now.
Yes, we have arrived in Anhui province in order to introduce Loto to you guys, which is specialized in manufacturing down coats and cotton coats for over 30 years history. And until this moment, Loto has already become the Asian strategic partner for many global groups such as VPH Group, VF Group, and Armani Group, etc. And last year, Jack Company has formed in-depth cooperation with Loto.
Yeah, exactly. Loto is covering an area more than 20,000 square meters. And it also equipped with 4 intelligent cutter and spreader machines, 20 sets of hanger systems, and more than 120 sets of intelligent pattern machines.
Yes, apart from all the automatic equipments, Jack Company also offers the backup service in the aspect of digital technology and also software, so that all the production equipment can be connected for the production management.
Okay, let's take a look how the modern factory management the production with Jack's equipment.
Yes. I cannot wait to show you what's the Loto workshop.
Before cooperating with Jack, Loto also faced a lot of problems like other traditional garments factory. The first problem is the higher employment problem. It's very hard to hire new staff from the market, and it's also very difficult to give the training to them.
Yes, especially when there is heavy workload, there will be the low level of the workers' enthusiasm. And for traditional manufacturers, the whole production process is invisible. It means that it's impossible to do the accurate measurement.
Under the high global pressure, all the Chinese manufacturing needs to upgrading urgently. Loto is also one of them. Now, let's say Loto how to overcome those difficulties by Jack's assistant.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So now we have arrived the first section of the production line, spreading and also cutting. Here we can see that we use boomer equipment, the spreader 1800E and also the high ply cutter 8000E. And with boomer equipment or the production line, we can guarantee the high efficiency as well as stable performance.
Yeah, before this live show, we also discussed with the manager of Loto, and he also said it is the trend to upgrade the traditional cutter to the intelligent automatic cutter and the spreader machine. Carol, could you please list some advantages of our intelligent cutter and the spreader machine?
Sure, the first point I would like to introduce is the environment. Look around us. Now the working environment is much better compared with old type traditional spreading and also cutting room. Secondly, you can see that it's really high efficient that one worker can operate with one machine and the output can be 3 or even 4 times higher. Thirdly, don't be afraid of using such kind of auto equipment. On the contrary, it's really easy to learn and also use. Moreover, boomer equipment can guarantee the accuracy measurement production. And all the data can be analyzed and collected in time for the production management. So now please follow us to see the next part of this workshop.
Here is Loto's pattern machine area. As we know, Loto is good at making down jackets and all kinds of other jackets. From here, we can see with Jack MS108's help, Loto can make high quality down coats for export standards. After fielding the down, all the front piece and back piece will send here for quilting. Now, let's do an interview for the worker here, and we will know something about our pattern machine.
Let's go.
Yeah. 阿姨您好. Yeah, let's do an interview. May I know how long have you worked here?
您在这边工作多长时间了呢？
经半年多了。
She already worked in this factory for half a year.
Yeah, may I know how many pieces can one machine make one day?
您能跟我们说一下，一天一台机器大概产量是多少件呢？
因为我们这里做的货片呢，应该是40多道线，1万多针，能产115件。
So for this kind of template, it's more than 40 stitch lines and more than 10,000 stitches. So one day it can produce over 100 sewing pieces.
Oh, yeah. And may I know it is easy to use this machine?
您觉得整个使用下来如何呢？
非常满意，很智能化，很棒。
Thank you.
Thank you.
She just comments that it's really intelligent and really good, and she's satisfied of using this template sewing machine. So we all know that
Yes, thank
for
you.
this kind
谢谢
of
你。
long stitch length, that it requires high-skilled workers. And for Jack template sewing machine, it's with a double screw driven, and it makes sure that even the unskilled worker, the new workers, can operate even two machines together and also make the perfect stitch length at the same time. So now please follow us to continue to go to the next part of the production line.
This is Le Tuo's sewing area. From here, we are making the small pieces like a collar and a pocket. And we can see here we are using the Jack A5E IoT machine. Our Jack A5E IoT machine with a lot of advantages, like bigger space, short thread tail, and accurate stitch length, and also it is very quiet. From here we can see they are using the small template for the sewing. Now they are making the small pieces, and we can see they are using the roller press feed, and it will improve the efficiency of making the stitch. And the A5E's bigger space can make the template move easily from here. And now we can hear the whole environment. It's not like the traditional garment factory. It's very quiet.
Yes, please move the camera to see another operators. And here we can view the A5E, another advantage that is wide adaptability. We can see that our A5E machine is able to sew this even more than 10 layers of material at one time. Okay, please continue to follow. And behind us, you can see that there are 10 production lines combined with a hanger system. And instead of the manual delivery, packing, and also counting, the Jack hanger system will realize the informatization of the manufacturing process and also high efficient workflow.
Yeah, then what kind of information does the garment factory need? Now, let's check the screen. From here, we can see different tables, each day's output and each worker's work completion situation, and also the detailed manufacturing process of each item. In one sentence, the screen can present the production data and also analyze the production condition to increase the production efficiency. The manager will be easily to understand every worker's performance. It will help him to do another arrangement.
Yes, now please follow us to continue to see each segment of the hanger system. And here we are at the controlling station. That is the first station. And here we can see there is a computer, and also the IE staff, all the group leader will be here and also input all the manufacturing standards into the software so that he or she can have a good control of all the tasks for the whole production line. Please continue to follow me to see the next segment of the hanger system. Okay, now we have arrived at the next station where we can see there are many empty hangers. And here is the third station. And at this station, one worker will just hang all the cutting pieces with the hangers so that he can do the preparation for the next step of the sewing.
So now I will show you the main body of the hanger system. From here we can see each our machine will connect with one hanger system. After the workers finish the sewing, he will just put the pieces on the hanger system and it will move to another process. So from here we can see after just finish his stitch, just press this button and the clothes will be delivered to another station. Yeah. And today we will also do a short interview for the worker here. Let's know something about the real feedback from the operators.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Can we do a short interview with you?
就我们想给您做一个简短的采访。
Okay, so how many years have you been working in the garment industry?
您在这个行业做多久了？
在这个行业做了20多年。
It's already 20 years he is working in this kind of the industry.
And how many years in this factory?
您在这个工厂多久了？
在这个工厂4个多月。
He has been working here for 4 months in 乐驼。
So after using our jack machines for 4 months, how do you think of our A5E?
就是您在用了我们的 A5E 之后，您有什么对这个机器有什么评价呢？
比 A4 和 A3要好做多了，好像吃后，机器吃后也吃饱。
And he said that this machine is better than A3 and A4, and this machine is also suitable for thin and heavy material.
And may I ask, in your opinion, what's the benefits for using such kind of hanger system?
就对您来说，用了我们的吊挂之后，有没有什么好处呢？
就是工作要轻松一点，然后工作效率也大大提高了。
He said after using the hanger system, when he operates the machine and do the delivery, it will be more comfortable, and it also help him to improve the efficiency.
Okay, now we have the last question because you already worked in the factory without hanger system for many years, and now you worked in the new factory with such kind of hanger system. What's the difference for you?
对，在您之前在没有吊挂的工厂工作，现在在有吊挂的工厂工作，对您来说最大的区别在哪里呢？
最大的区别就是你的工作环境也好多了。
还有呢？
还有工作效率也提高了。
He said, just like the other traditional garment factory, now in 乐驼, the environment will be better than other factory, and it will also help him to improve efficiency.
Okay, thank you for your time for the interview.
谢谢您。
Okay, so now please continue to follow us to see the next part of the production line.
乐驼 also use the hanger system in the QC system and ironing system. From here we can see there are some jack machine because after they check the clothes, if they find any defects, they will do the repair here immediately. After finish all the clothing, and they will put the finished clothes in the hanger system, and it will be to this temporary storage area.
Yes, that's the end part of the hanger system, and we are lucky to find the production manager just nearby. Let's come to here to ask a short question.
你好。你好。
We would like to ask you a question. So for your position, what do you think is the difference before and after using the hanger system?
对，我们对您做一个简单的采访，就是我们用了吊挂和没用吊挂的时候有什么区别？
我们用了吊挂之后呢，我们现场更加整洁了，生产任务呢更加明确了。
Yeah, after using the hanger system, now the environment of the factory will be more clean than before, and the target will be also very clean.
所有的瓶颈工序，车间的瓶颈工序，更加一目的了然。我们及时的发现、了解、去处理，这样确保了当天的生产任务。
Yeah, all the shortage will be very clean. We will find which process is slow, which process is fast, and we will figure it out about the final target.
如果有品质问题，我们会用吊挂原路退回到原有的生产工位。
If we find any quality problem, and the hanger system will reback the clothes to the original position.
这样全面的解决了搬运的问题。
Yeah, this will solve the delivery problem.
我们现在使用了吊挂，从裁剪到车间到候诊，全面实行了全网全覆盖。
Yeah, now we are using the hanger system from the cutting to the sewing and to the QC and ironing system. Our hanger system cover all the process.
那么我们所有的上线产品、下线产品，从颜色、尺码、件数，随时大数据可以调阅出来了。
Yeah, for all the our clothes, our big data will analyze all the clothes size and style.
这样就是有利于我们更方便的管理上线跟下线的这个过期问题。
Oh, so it will help us to management all the clothes when they start sewing and after sewing.
另外一个，我们现场更整洁了，6S 管理做得更好了。
Yeah, now we are using the 6S system. If after we using the hanger system, we can process the 6S system better than before.
这样我们努力把整个车间打造一个标准化的一个车间，生产车间。
Yes, and now we will build our factory to the standard factory.
对，就这个。
Okay.
Thank you for your time of the interview.
Yeah, 谢谢。
Okay, so thank you for
Thank
the
you.
production manager's introduction about the hanger system's benefits to Loto's factory. Now let's move to the final part of the production. Let's go.
Let's go.
So now we have arrived at the final part of the production. And around us, you can see that those operators are busy doing the second time checking. And that is also the final QC. And after the detailed checking, they will make sure that all those clothes can meet the high standards of export. Now please continue to follow us. Now we have arrived at the warehouse, and you can see that those clothes are packed manually. So for different factories' needs, fully automatic or semi-type, that Jack Company can offer the customized design so that we can help the customer to maximize the output with limited input.
Okay, this is all for today's live show, and we are afraid to say goodbye to
Yes.
you. I hope you can keep following Jack official Facebook account, and we will keep provide some interesting, intelligent Chinese garment factory situation.
Okay, so
Okay.
thank you for your time. I hope you have a good time with us of today's live. And if you have any question, you can leave comment or contact sales@chinajack.com. So see you next time.
See
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.